watch the fireworks. She got new sunglasses.
Sun stashes.
Sun sashes on a boat.
Oh, take a glimpse of what it looks like to wear these.
Lucy!
That's the inside.
Lucy! Remember when Mabel was doing the fortune teller to the big... Would you stop that? Doing the fortune teller to the huge man, and it was, your wife will be beautiful. And she's like, and he's like, yeah, sweet. But will she love me?
Hey everybody. Bing bop.
Bing bop.
Bing bop.
Bing bop, bing bop.
I'm a girl, you're a gnome, and it's like, what? Yikes.
Your gnomes.
I'm a girl and you're gnomes, and it's like, what? Yikes.
Anything you want to. So let's get up, let's get on, to leave you broken hearted tonight. Oh, that's right.
Cheerio.
Anything you want to do, I'm gonna do. Anything you want, start going with you. Put in the wait.
Who's in the front? Party in the back.
Would you stop filming me?
What am I doing?
Your freaking phone, stop!
My friend Lucy, I'm like my friend Ian likes to talk a lot. He only talks like
My
this.
brother.
He talks
Other brothers at home. My cousin Lucy, Liam, Jenna, my mom. Yeah, whole family.
Have you ever heard the song